noise, louder than I've ever heard.
It looked like two big silver trees that somehow learned to soar. Suddenly a summer breeze and a mighty lion's roar.
I want the